Hi, this is 3Ds 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna be shaking up these Diet Cokes and throwing them on the ground. Alright, I'm up first.
Throw it right here.
Alright. So I'm gonna shake it like really good.
Tell me when you're about to throw it.
I won't be surprised if this doesn't break. Alright, ready?
Whoa!
Yeah!
Look at that big
What's
splat! Jeez, look at all that. That's a lot of Coke.
The whole top broke off.
Oh, wait. Let me see.
Oh.
Man, you beat the crap out of that. Man,
Alright,
nice
Chad's
one.
up next.
Here. You pointed it here. Dude, that was a nice one. You just like, bam. Here. Now my
Right.
turn. Let me put it. Okay. So now it's my turn. You just shake it up. Put it in right here. Okay, I will tell you when I'm about to splat it. Okay, here you go.
Right where that light is.
Look at it.
Look at me.
Oh.
You're all Diet Cokey. Oh, the top came off.
Oh man, that got me so. Ooh.
All right, so when you get Diet Coke in small little bottles with caps, most likely the cap will fall off.
Yeah,
Bye,
especially when you shake
this
it.
was 3Z's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye.